Welcome to a look into the crystal ball, into your future. Success is a cycle. Are you in? Well, the Mississippi Economic Council, the MEC Public Education Forum of Mississippi, and the Mississippi Energy Institute Get on the Grid program have teamed together to help you have a view of your future success. Here are a few of the sponsors who have helped bring this program to you today. They're interested in your future and your success. Perhaps one day you may work for one of them. So let's get started. The Mississippi Economic Council, the MEC Public Education Forum of Mississippi, both have a clear vision of ensuring the futures of Mississippi high school students. And we've teamed with the Mississippi Energy Institute Get on the Grid program, which offers a glimpse at some of the jobs that are available in Mississippi that will assure you a positive future. Are you planning to go to college? You might choose Mississippi Scholars. It's a college prep program designed with STEM-based education in mind. That's science, technology, engineering, and math. Here's an example of the kind of job that requires a college education, mechanical engineer. Let's see what it brings to you.
Mechanical engineers. As a mechanical engineer, you'll be the future of innovation in technology and equipment. Dozens of industries need bright minds to design and construct high-tech mechanical systems in energy and manufacturing. You will need a college degree and a desire to work in a hands-on environment. Earning potential in this profession reaches into the six figures, and motivated individuals can move up the company ladder. In our ever-changing world, problem solvers are in high demand. Turn your creativity and ingenuity into a successful career as a mechanical engineer and prove that you have what it takes to get on the grid.
Wow, that is a great career, but it's just one of many great careers that are available right here in Mississippi. And for those who are considering going to college or going into the military with a 4-year college planned after military service, Mississippi Scholars may be the choice for you. This is what's required. You don't have to be a top student, but you must commit to this more rigorous course of study. You've got to step up to the plate to step up to the opportunity. Ready to join the workforce right away or go into the military and then have a career right after that? Well, Mississippi Scholar Techmaster may be the choice for you. This is an opportunity for those students who may not necessarily be planning to go to a 4-year college degree program. Instead, you're perhaps going to go directly into the workforce or pursue a certification program through a community college. These are both options for those who might choose to be a Mississippi Scholar Techmaster. Here's an example of one of the jobs that might be available to you if you're a Mississippi Scholar Techmaster. Let's watch now.
Welders. They fuse metal to create cars, battleships, and energy pipelines. Industries across the state are searching for welders who pride themselves in precision, attention to detail, and handmade craftsmanship. A welder's skills can be learned in vocational school or at a community college. Many employers provide additional training in-house. Welding and related professions in Mississippi earn salaries anywhere from $40,000 a year up to $100,000 a year or more. So find a welding program that's right for you and get on the grid.
Wow, that's another great career. But again, it's just one of many great careers that are out there. And again, these are the requirements to become a Mississippi Scholar Techmaster. Once again, you do not have to be a top student, but you must commit to this curriculum. You must commit to follow this pathway. And if you do, new opportunities will open up for you. So which one is best for you? Mississippi Scholars is for students who plan on going to college. Mississippi Scholars Techmaster is for students who plan to enter the workforce or perhaps pursue some additional study at a community college. Either one offers a great pathway for opportunity right here in Mississippi. You've heard about Mississippi Scholars and Mississippi Scholars Techmaster. What about Get on the Grid? Get on the Grid is a career exploration program. It's designed to help you find out about the kind of careers that are available to you in Mississippi. One of them is electrical engineer. That requires a college degree, but it brings some great benefits. Let's watch now.
Electrical engineers. As an electrical engineer, you'll design, build, and maintain electrical systems that energize Mississippi industry. You'll use problem-solving skills to create solutions to everyday problems, large and small, in fields such as energy, manufacturing, healthcare, construction, and more. And you'll have the potential to earn more than $150,000 a year. So find a training program that's right for you and use your new career as an electrical engineer to get on the grid.
Wow, that's a great job. It gives you one example of why it's worth becoming a Mississippi Scholar or Mississippi Scholar Tech Master. It's worth reaching a little harder and a little stronger because nothing affects your future income like your education. Let's explore this a little further. Why should you become a Mississippi Scholar? There are some great career opportunities available. You could be an architect, you could be a doctor, an engineer, you could be a nurse, you could be a teacher, you could be a scientist, and many other opportunities beyond these. Why should you become a Mississippi Scholar Tech Master? You could become a welder, a machinist, you could become an electronics technician, a healthcare assistant. There are many fine-paying career opportunities available for those who follow the Mississippi Scholar Tech Master course of study. You are only limited by your imagination. This is a snapshot of your life. You're in the most critical years right now for making the right decision. And so what you do today will affect the rest of your life. There is more than one path. Earning a degree from a 4-year university is not the only way to have a great career. Many jobs are available right now. Let's take a look at one of them.
Electronics technicians. As electronics become even more integral to our lives and industry, electronics technicians continue to be in high demand. Telecommunications, automotive, aerospace, and shipbuilding, engineering, and power generation. These are just a few of the industrial sectors willing to pay you generously to install, maintain, and repair electronic systems and infrastructures. With just a high school or community college degree and experience, you could earn $50,000 a year or more. So find out what it takes to become an electronics technician and use your new career to get on the grid.
So you can see you don't necessarily have to pursue a 4-year college degree to make a great living. So now let's talk a little bit about salaries. Let's say you earn $13 an hour right out of high school. That's a little more than $2,250 a month or $27,000 annually. Is that really enough? Well, here's how the budget looks. You've got to spend on federal and state taxes. You've got to spend on your phone bill. You've got to spend on personal items and clothes and furniture. Well, are these just the necessities? How about some of the other things? You have $645 left. Well, you've got to pay for car insurance and gas, internet and cable. They're pretty basic. You want to have a little time for entertainment and savings. Well, you've got no money left over now. So what are you going to do? Students who want to succeed really focus on their futures because the better education you get now, the better place of opportunity you're in to make more money later. And you can see that 95% of teenagers view graduating as critical to their future success. Are you part of this group? Your future is up to you. You can change all of your future with a little bit of focus now. Here's how it stacks up. The connection between your education and your future come from important workforce skills that are developed at school, whether you're planning to be a Mississippi Scholar or a Mississippi Scholar Tech Master. And here are some of them. You're able to focus on academics, work ethic, career development, Many of these tools come here while you're in high school. What's in it for you? More choices of education after high school, more chances for good jobs, more money to afford your lifestyle, more control over your future. So what you do today really makes a difference in the long run. If you take either the Mississippi Scholars or Mississippi Scholars Techmaster course of study, at the end, you'll receive a seal placed on your high school transcript, which is emblematic of your achievement. You'll receive a medallion to wear at graduation, a real recognition of your commitment. And you'll receive a certificate award for completion of these rigorous programs. So make your choice, either Mississippi Scholars or Mississippi Scholars Techmaster. Each bring great rewards of recognition. Now, your teachers in your community believe in you. We all can do it together. All you need to do is say yes to Mississippi Scholars or Mississippi Scholars Techmaster and get ready to get on the employment grid. Here's yet another job that is often available here in Mississippi, the job of machinist. Let's see what these requirements bring.
Machinists. As a machinist, you'll craft precision metal parts for industrial machines and equipment to produce the oil and natural gas we depend on daily. In today's manufacturing and energy environment, operating systems have to stay in top shape. Machinists use math and science skills to ensure efficiency and results in these processes. Machinists in Mississippi average more than $30,000 a year and retire making more than $50,000 a year. So find a machinery training program that's right for you and prove that you have what it takes to get on the grid.
Wow, so that's another job that would come from following the Mississippi Scholars Techmaster course of study. So if you're interested in becoming a Mississippi Scholar or a Mississippi Scholar Techmaster, you need to visit with your guidance counselor. They have the answers. You can get started today.